Hey guys, just fully shut it down before you do anything with the laptop. Remove all the screw using your Phillips screwdriver. Okay guys, so you can either pull it out all around it, but the way I do it, I put my finger like that and I just pull out this bit over here that touches the back cover. So I just do that. It gives me a bit of a crack, and just that. Okay, just careful this connection. That's the Wi-Fi card, so get your fillet. Make sure you get the right screwdriver, otherwise you'll stuff up the screw. And these are color coded, though it doesn't matter in this case, they're both black. I don't know. So that's your Wi-Fi card. Make sure you get the exact one, not the model number. Look for the part number. It's just down there. Okay, it says DP/N TP number. Get the exact one, otherwise it wouldn't work.